Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's continue this lesson Musa Ali's camel from where we left off. Tatyo bacho is karo tim jai shuru ya jai stop karya. Kus lesson Musa Ali's camel. Ashti nimjay pet आज start karun special adaptation. First I am going to clear you what means adaptation. Adaptation means any heritable trait that helps a plant or animal to survive in its environment. And it is the special adaptation that is regarding with the camel. Adaptation means dear students adapt to we can say in its environment, changing circumstances, changing situation. That means adaptation. Snowshoe effect prevents sinking in a sand as the body weight rests on the sole pads with only front ends of the hooves touching the ground. Long legs allow the camel to travel greatly distance easily. Thick clasped knees protect the joints when the animal lies down. Snowshoe effects. Snowshoe it prevents, we can say, the camel sinking in sand. कि ये इस बचावा ये स्नो इफेक्ट इस बचाव करान कम नश यह डुबान सेक मज कह कुस यह कैमल क्या बॉडी हंद वेट रेस्ट ऑन द पे कत पे सोरे अमुक वेट पे सोल पैड्स पे with only the front ends of hooves touching the ground. Whose front ends? The front ends of the camel means the front ends of the hooves of the camel touching the ground. Hooves means it is the plural of hoof. Hoof means the hard part of the foot of camel. Long legs allows the camel to travel a great distance easily, and its long legs it also helps the camel to travel a great distance, to cover a long distance. We can say easily. Asani san various distance karaymo panyo zicho zango suit. And thick clasped knees protects the joints when the animal lies down. When it lies down, when the camel lies down, and it is thick clasped knees that protects the joints. Im sathi pathar bewan chu, emis kus protect kara, ye thick clasped knees. Thick clasped knees kya go? Means thick hardened knees. Knees is mana question. Sama. It is so great to see the camel cap clinging to the Musa Ali. This what the Sama says. It is so great to see, we can say, this kind of quality which was found between, we can say, the camel and the Musa Ali. And the camel was clinging to Musa Ali means it was, we can say, holding tightly to Musa Ali. What was holding tightly? We can say camel calf. And this was a quality between, we can say, camel calf and Musa Ali, which had seen, observed by the Sama. Musa Ali, I have many times tried to find the camel's calf's mother so that the camel can join its herd because I take it as a moral duty. Musa Ali is वना मैं ऐसे करे मतलब वारिया वक्त करे में कोशिश. I have many times tried to find the camel calf's mother. It's hardness mas, it's merged hardness mas. Whose mother? Camel calf's mother. In his bice's mother. You see, unt bice in sons mother hardness mas kare me variya koshish so that the camel can join its herd. Ye kare he pane sat group us mas join. Herd means group because I take it as moral duty. Who take it as moral duty? Musa Ali. Moral duty means moral obligation. इखलाकी फर्ज उसे समझा कि मैं इनसे मर्ज साढ़े हाँ कि उस वना यासच में इखलाकी फर्ज कुछ वना Musa Ali. Dolma, it is so happy with you, it treats you as its mother. Dolma versus तुम से ये चीज़ बड़ा खुश. It treats you as इसे पन treat करा पने मर्ज. ये क्यों सोच treat करा पने मर्ज. इसे camel बच्चों से सोच करा treat पने मर्ज means Musa Ali. It is because of love. It is because of, we can say, affection that they had for each other. That is why we can say Dolma was going to say that means it treats him as it is mother. The most noticeable feature of the bacterian camel is its two humps. At the hump, the average height of the camel is 7 feet. A common misconception is that the camel's humps are used for storage of water. In reality, the humps contain a huge amount of fat, approximately 36 kg, which is used when the food is scarce. This feature gives the camel the ability to live for many days without food. The most noticeable feature which is seen in bacterian camel, that it has how many humps? It has 2 humps. That's the noticeable feature which is seen in bacterian camel. And dear students, what means hump? That I have already explained you. Hump is means it is just like a, we can say, grave. Its shape is just like grave. Image shape is a covering for it. Kimuk, it's hump. Magar you see two humps is sirif wishna MC camelos mas. Chemis camelos mas, bacterian camelos mas. Bokin camel mas akui hump. At the hump, the average height of the camel is 7 feet. Height goes 7 feet. It is bacterian camelos mas. And the misconception that we can say, dear students, we have also asked, that means the hump is that it has bacterian camel, that it is going to use for storage water. That is not the true. That is not the fact. You see, when I message karan aab atma jama, aab shuni karan panin humpan ma jama ki, balki what is the reality? The reality is its humps contain a huge amount of fat, approximately 36 kg. 3 kilo fat means assignment of humpan mas, which is used when the food is scarce. Scarce means when when there is a short of food, and the camel is going to use at that time. Tim such use karan ye hai guza, matlab as a nourishment karan use fat im saath emis ye guza, emis guzaish kami gais. This feature gives the camel the ability. Which feature? That means the two humps. And what it gives? The ability. To live for many days without food. Food survive. Sama. Nowadays one hardly finds harmony between man and a camel. Sama. Nowadays one hardly finds harmony between man and a camel. It seems that the two cannot coexist. Encroaching upon the animal world deprives the animal world of their habitat. Every now and then we hear about a tiger killing of a man and a man killing a tiger. Harmony means a symmetry that is seen between the man and animal, that just which was noticed by the Sama between the camel calf and Musa Ali. Harmony ke talmel, ismen talmel emen dun darmiyan wuchim notice kar dabni ansun hardly shima kunje wushne cheez isim notice kar kemen darmiyan emes camel calf ist Musa Ali's darmiyan. It seems that the two cannot coexist. Basa uski ima hakan, they cannot live together. Who? These, we can say, the man and animal here means camel calf and Musa Ali. Encroaching upon the animal world deprives the animal world of their habitat. Encroaching upon the animal world deprives means what it deprives? The animal world of their habitat means the place where they live, that is called habitat. That is deprived. Every now and then we hear about a tiger killing a man and a man killing a bear. We can say इसलिए यहाँ habitat मतलब गई मतलब तबाह गई यहाँ habitat कहाँ animals. That is why they come into open places. We can say यहाँ इम्स वासन बोन open places मस तो इम्स करा मतलब कुंजे शका इम कहीं इंसानस मरित. And a man killing a bear. Sometimes कुछ साथ इंसानिश मारा bears. Stats means persons endangered. Endangered means in danger of disappearing from the world. We can also say become distinct. And former wide range of this species has been dramatically reduced due to the competition with domestic herds, particularly for water. Ushusha कि यहाँ जिस नस्ल सासे छावा कम गसुन क्या is due to competition. इस में competition मंस को केमें domestic herd मंस खास कर काट पेट water पेट. Musa Ali. The population of bacterian camel is also declining currently. Say in population bacterian camels are kam gase. Musa Ali mana. The bacterian camel is found only in Mongolia, China, and Ladakh, Nubra Valley. We can say bacterian camel come in giants, come kajaj mujud world mas. Only in Mongolia, China, and Ladakh. Ladakh mas kajaj Nubra Valley mas. And the number of wild bacterian camel is a few thousand worldwide. We can say few thousand is there now population. Whose population? Bacterian camel's population. However, the encouraging thing in Nubra is that it is increasing in number. But we can say this is the encouraging thing, that the population of bacterian camel is increasing in where? In Nubra Valley as compared to the other parts of the world. Dolma, what is the reason behind it? Dolma wanted to know the reason. How it is possible? That means we can say their population is increasing only in Nubra Valley. Why? Yes, yes, and मुके वजह क्या है? इतनी क्या है? यहाँ population बढ़ा Nubra Valley में कौन bacterian camel में. as compared to the other parts of the world. Sama, obviously man-animal relationship. Didn't you notice the camel calf loves for Musa Ali? Sama was clearly, obvious means clearly, it is the man-animal relationship. Wajah such a man-animal relation that we can say it was noticed by Sama as well as it was noticed by Dolma, but she was going to remind her. She remind karan, which is notice this very camel calf was love karamis for Musa Ali. We can say they have a love for each other, both animal and man. This is the reason. That means their number is increasing in Ladakh. Musa Ali, it is a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic means interaction between the two different organisms living in close physical association, and a hope for the wild bacterian camel to survive. What is the hope? It is a symbiotic relationship. That is a hope for the wild bacterian camel to survive, to live and grow in number. Their number is growing, we can say, and which has otherwise almost reached the brink of extinction. If this kind of relationship was not found between the, we can say, the man and animal, where? In Ladakh, in Nubra Valley, and we can say their population might have extinct. Sashi khatam gumus, sashi gub gumus in population. Agar ye cheez aise ki symbiotic relationship. Dolma, well Musa, you had taken a chance to look for the reunion of the calf with its herd, but could not find the calf's mother. So the story goes on between the two of you. Well, Musa, you had taken a chance. With Mele Mook, it's Sandas must look for the reunion of the camel calf with its herd. Herd means it's a collective noun, a group of camels, a herd of camels, but could not find that calf's mother. But he failed to locate, we can say, whose mother? Calf's mother. In his bicycle's mush, Sandas must go in Nakam. Imagine Sanditi came again. He tried best. So the story goes on between the two of you. So the story goes between the two of you means between the camel calf and Musa Ali. Musa Ali, what was the response? Yes, the camel calf is my companion. Companion means friend. He accepted that camel calf is his friend, companion. And the two of us will face the hard times. And the two of us means two of them. Two of them here refers to, we can say, Musa Ali and the camel calf. They will face the hard times. They will face the difficult times ahead of them. Together means jointly. They will face the difficult times. They will face the hard times jointly. Now he accepted that he is his companion. He is his friend. And they have a love for each other. Who have love for each other? Musa Ali and camel calf. There are some words which are at the end of the lesson. Nubra. Nubra means a valley in Ladakh. Acquaint, make aware or familiar with. Gurgur tea, it is a famous tea of Ladakh. Dear friends, just our namkeen tea. The Gurgur tea is a noon trava. The mashhur chai kahti Ladakh smart atmana Gurgur tea. Tea drunk in Ladakh is Ladakh smart chai. Muk type of snake. Haftkai, dear friends, you guys the pata asnu. You catch one now bacterian camels in Mongolia. He is called Haftkai. Scorching, intensely heat, intensely hot. Chilling, very cold. Scarcity means lack of sanctity. Scarcity is scarcity of water, scarcity of food, lack of water, lack of food. At that time we can use. Symbiotic, interaction between the two different organisms living in a close physical association in which both of them are benefited. Dear students, the questions which are given here, we will do these questions tomorrow. Thank you.